Product display. Install lock body, screw fixed. Front panel mounted with studs. Adjust the stud according to the hole position. Install rubber pad. Put into lock core, screw fixed. The length of the lock core should be about 3 cm. Install front panel. Open the battery cover. Remove screws and rubber pad. Place rubber pad in square poles. Screw fixed. Connect the power cable. Align the rear panel with the square bar and lock core. Square bar needs to be cut according to the thickness of the door. Screw fixed. Install battery. Installation complete.